Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. And I have a 16 by 20 inch canvas in front of me and a few colors that I've picked out, thinking that I might like to use them. And I made a painting yesterday. I didn't like the whole painting as much as I liked the detail that I saved. I stuck that on Instagram. If you ever want to see what's current, that's the place to go. But I'm going to wipe the sand out of my dustpan. This is my garbage made scoop. And I may fill either one of those up. But for right now, I'm going to hope I don't flake too many flakes of paint onto my canvas. And I am going to grab the obnoxious yellow. Come on, go away. Please, go away. I should have washed my hands. So I never do this, and that's a good reason. That's a good enough reason to do this right now. I do have a pair of tweezers if I need them, and it looks like I need them. I figure I don't know if a single coat will cover, but I'm going to find out. And I'm probably going to add colors to it, and I'm thinking about finishing up with the scoop or the dustpan. So let's grab that. Now I'm just going to work around to all four corners in different configurations. See how far paint will go and how many things I can pull out of it, evidently. I don't use this yellow much at all, so the chances are that it's going to have a bunch of schmutz in it, and I'll just have to keep diligently working on it. So, that was way too much orange. That's okay. I'll just do what I said I was going to do and fill in my corner. Gotta start somewhere. If I release the pressure on the spatula, I don't dig down to canvas so readily. And I like that. I never use this much orange. But you don't know what's going to happen until you get busy trying things that are outside your comfort zone. I'm going to cover my edge as best I can. Put all kinds of little acetate swipe sheets, so if I want to pull some paint, I'll do that. Other than just my spatula, which I do happen to love. It's an OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula. It's on the Amazon link under the link tree, which is the first blue link under the video. And you can shop there at no added cost to you, and it helps me out, and I really appreciate that. Love to make videos for you guys. Not sure what I'm doing, but I'm having a good time doing it. Thank you for joining me, by the way. I figure worst case scenario, I have a good time, and I make a base for whatever's coming next. Whoop, I dripped. It's bound to happen. I like that neon pink so much. I think I'm going to give myself a little bit more of it. Now, I'm afraid I can't use the black. I'd really love to use the black. I really, really would. I just had it in my hand. I'm looking for the white Anita's metallic, and it's right there. Cool. That is a large something. Definitely does not belong. Now once I get my colors in place, I can decide what's safe to add. Like, I always like purple, so I'm hoping that I can put some purple in there, but you can't over mix orange with anything without endangering your potential, your brown potential. But I really want to just get right outside my comfort zone, like I said. I don't know if I can tip at any particular stage. I'm going to just keep playing with things. I would keep playing with things if I could. I'm pretty sure I opened that not very long ago. I love this color combination together. It's way, way out of my comfort zone to go ahead and give myself permission to do this, but it's so worth getting there. So I'm just about done. I'm kidding. I'm going to use some black. I really want some black enamel and acrylic because that way I can find out what's going to happen if I can get the cells I'm after or not. I know the yellow and the black will often make green, so I'm going to try and be a little careful of that. If it makes green on the edge, I'm okay with that. So I'm going to try really hard to clean off my spatula with my studio rag. I'm not sure that was right. Oh, there's the green I was not looking for. Right down on my Lolify silicone mat. Like I said, this for me is supposed to be about a base. And as long as I'm having fun, it's okay. And I do have a scrapings dish. And I'm going to keep scraping things into it. I really am looking forward to grabbing something. There we go. There's my swipe card. I just need to follow my instincts and be able to find the color that I want and have it come out. I just cleaned these bottles out right before I went out. Now, there's all kinds of things anybody could do at this point, including put chain in. I think I want a little bit of the darker purple. Doesn't matter what I want, I can't have it. Let's grab some Venetian blue and some Prussian blue. Put those where I can find them. And throw some white in there. Alright, so I'm feeling like I need a little more of something I don't have. I'm definitely shedding. Not satisfied yet. Definitely thinking about... Yeah, okay, I'm gonna go for it. That's the Berry Americana with whatever's on my spatula. Rub that right into my edges. I've got a small card. I could turn this into a geometric fairly easily. It helps if the cards are smooth. Once they have grit on them, you wind up with texture, and you might like it and you might not. So I've got blue, and I want to be really careful because I don't really want to make green. If I want to make green, I've got some green. Well, it must be time to go ahead and put the Anita's white, some of that blue, some of that purple. That one's not open. I really want that to be open. And I've never really dragged across a completely wet canvas. And it doesn't seem like fate is on my side right now, because every time I go to squeeze a paint bottle, I don't get what I want out of it. Hey, that was lucky, I guess. I'm going to wind up tipping this, I can tell right now. And that's okay. I'm not having any luck with my bottles today. They're all plugged. That's so frustrating. There we go. If this works out, it'd be a bloody miracle. Sorry, my British friends. I don't mean to be rude. So very odd colors indeed. Next time I try and do this, I'll have a better plan. Like, I'll make sure all of my bottles are cleared in advance. That's going in the bucket. This is pretty cool, surprisingly. Very, very surprisingly. Move most of my stuff out of the way. Look to see what I can get away with. Total Dali fantasy. Really, really bizarre. Cool. I'm okay with that. I didn't expect it, but it's got dimension. So, other than a basting brush, I just want to bring some of this right over to the corner. I kind of want to tip some of it. I like it the way it is. I can't even believe those words are leaving my mouth. But I love this. I love that. I love a lot of things about it. I'm going to just put my spatula in. Well, you know what? I'm not going to do much of anything. That is just a wild and bizarre piece of art, for sure. I'm going to blame that one on my muse. Let all this go right over the edge. I'm going to torch. I'm going to tell you guys I sell my artwork. This one might be the most valuable weird thing I've ever made. I'm kidding, of course. Well, I'm sort of kidding. But I'm just going to leave it. I got some cells. I get some great patterns and things. I don't think I need to do anything to this. I think if I did anything to it, it'd just make it a bigger mess than it already is. And it's a big enough mess. And it's a cool mess. So I love you guys. There's almost 90,000 of you. I am going to add a few dots. Because I've got that black right there. Why not? Why not add a few weirder still? That's just funky. Wow. I'm always telling you guys, sometimes the weirdest colors work out, and we just use basically what would open, and ribbon poured and dribbled. I don't think I'm even going to put any spirals in there because this is just so surreal. I'm going to turn it your way so you can see what I'm seeing. Call it good to go. So thank you guys for sharing my videos. Thank you very much for liking my videos. Thank you for watching them when the notifications come out. That's a huge help. Thank you for watching them longer. I appreciate that. Thank you for shopping my Amazon link at no added cost to you. It really helps. Cheers to that. Check under the video for Teespring clothing. There's Oliver print leggings and Oliver print t-shirts there. And check under the description for my paint pouring recipe. Check under the link tree, first blue link underneath the video for Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links. Instagram is where I post my daily, what I make in a day, or over the next course of however long it takes, 2 posts a day. It works. Fans and Expressionist Art Studio Gallery fans and collectors, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery totes and more, and Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group for students are all Facebook groups, and they are under the link tree. Thank you guys. If you want to be of assistance to me and you would like to contribute to help keep the studio rolling, please feel free to look for the end screen video on any video. You will find an exhibition video there that will show you what the monthly drawing prizes are for those of you who decide you'd like to contribute through PayPal or Patreon. The icons are on my channel header on my YouTube channel, and also they are on the link tree. So, should you decide to use them, I will send you an email confirmation. I can't believe how cool that is. I'm not willing to change a thing about it. And hopefully it's in the right frame. And I love you guys. Please ask me questions if you need to. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And thank you for the wonderful comments you always leave me. And thank you for all of the wonderful donations that have helped keep me painting. I'm sure I'm forgetting something. I always do. But the fact that I love you is not one of them. So you guys take care of each other, take care of yourselves. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Flabbergasted. Wow. Ha! That's just so cool. And I'm so surprised. Oh, I see something staring at me. You guys take care of each other. Bye for now. Priscilla out.